Hi there. So for this video, I want to just talk really briefly about the laboratory component of the asynchronous online course. So we do have some what we call virtual labs that you're going to be doing in this course. There's 11 of them. They're pretty straightforward and they're on the ALEKS platform. So that's what's going to make it pretty simple for you. You don't have to have any additional software or resources to look at. Okay, so if you take a look at if you look at the calendar on ALEKS, so I'm on the ALEKS calendar right now, and I have it set to the month mode, so it's looking at the month of June. What you'll see are the assignments lists. So it includes the exams and all that kind of stuff, but it also includes the virtual labs. So if you look at here, today is the 23rd of June when I'm making this video, there's a list of all the virtual labs that you have to work on. For some reason, 1 and 2 are out of order. I'm not sure why. I maybe just has to do with the order of how I made them. But in any case, all 11 virtual labs are now live and available for you to do. Okay, so you can work on the virtual labs. And you'll want to start with number 1 because there are due dates for the virtual labs. So if you take a look at the 30th here, the 30th of June, which is a week from today, exam 1 for chapter 14 is due. Virtual lab 1 is due and virtual lab 2 is due. So both of those first 2 virtual labs are due that date. So make sure you have them done by then to get credit. I did set it up so that for the virtual labs, you can do it more than once and you'll get the higher score, okay? So if you do it a second time, you can get the higher score depending on how you do, okay? You get the higher, if you do it more than once, you get the highest score. So you don't, it's not like if you do it a second time and you get a lower score, you'll get the lower score, okay? And then also keep in mind that the objective for chapter 14, which is kinetics, is due. So I'm making everything kind of simple in terms of timing. Everything is going to be due on Thursdays, okay, at midnight, 11:59 p.m. So virtual lab 1, virtual lab 2, those are due. There really aren't in the way, you don't have to really do much in the way of pre-labs or pre-reading or anything. Everything is sort of self-contained in there. Okay, so and then if you go to the next, I'm going to jump ahead to July. So July 7th, that's when exam 2 is due. The virtual labs are also due. So virtual lab 3, for example, and virtual lab 4 is also due. So 2 virtual labs every week until August 4th, when there's only 1 due. So August 4th, I just have, there's an odd number of labs to give you a little bit less of a workload on that last week, okay? So you can access them from the calendar. You can also go up to your assignments list, right? So if you go up to your assignments list, they're all in there as well. So virtual lab 1, 2, 3 with the due dates and stuff, okay? So keep in mind, you're gonna have to schedule everything. You're gonna have to like do some organization skills in terms of recognizing that Thursday you got a lot due, 2 labs, 1 exam, a homework assignment. So make sure you're pacing yourself throughout the week, right? So, knock this out, knock that out. And 4 things every week essentially. So good luck with that. Reach out to me if you have any questions, and be well.